Okay. Yep, I'll have a heaving line ready for that up there. Okay, great. Okay, I'll just stay up there and get it hooked up as soon as I can. Okay. Hello, Tug, Missouri.
Hello.
Yep, if you could just let me know when the stern is in a good place for you, and then we'll hang on and stop and get you attached, and then proceed.
Okay, yeah, anytime you get close to halfway out, I'll get up there.
Okay, sounds good.
For Shipyard.
Hey, Missouri, I don't think the Shipyard's on 18. They've got one of our radios.
Okay, yeah, over by where that red crane is, they got a little work platform in the water.
Okay, I'll let them know. Was that someone from the Shipyard heard that? Excellent, okay, thanks.
Isn't he going back there? Where's he going? Yeah, we gotta pull him back far enough for them to put the gate back in, and then you're gonna bring him across that knuckle up there, and the stern's gonna be laying over where I'm at.
Okay, I got it. I assumed the same thing, that they were gonna be back there on that dock back there.
When I peeked myself around the corner, I saw that platform. I thought we better get it out of there, but, well, we're not going back that far. I feel like I could get hooked up anytime.
Okay, copy that. I'll get her stopped here, and we'll get you hooked up.
I've got the tug hooked up to the dimmer head on the port side.
Alright, you're all tapped. All set on the tug.
Alright, good, copy. We'll just see if we need you to pull right now, or so we're just going to winch her back real easy.
Yep, I'm gonna...
Okay. Hey there, Missouri, just to let you know, we're going to let go of our stern wires, given where the stern's at. And then I'm still going to keep pulling the stern with the bow. So you might need to give a little pressure, a little help astern to keep us up here to starboard.
Right, I'll just give it a little bump.
Okay, yep, we're just going to remain stationary for a minute and move wires, and then I'll let you know when we're ready to proceed. Okay, we're moving astern again.
In favor to starboard.
Okay.
Just working for you, Cap.
Yep, that looks good. Looks good for now. Looks like we're holding up and slowly using astern, so that's good.
Alright. It's creeping into 14 feet on the dock face on the corner of the aft winches.
I'll have you stop pulling there for a minute, Missouri, and then I'm going to winch myself back up against forward.
Okay, yep, I'm all off.
Okay, Missouri, I'm just going to use myself astern. Let me just use the forward wires for now, just so I stay up here until we get clear.
Staying behind you.
Okay.
We're easing into about 14 feet to hatch 11 off the corner. 10 off the knuckle at hatch 11.
If I could just have you hold us right here, Missouri, I'm just moving some wires again, and then we should be able to get out the rest of the way here.
Alright. I'm all off on a slack line here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it must be just enough wind to kind of push us onto the dock then.
Yeah, I've been kind of staying in case you need me to catch it, but favoring towards the lake.
Okay. Yeah, we should be okay. It's nice and easy. Hey there, Missouri. Why don't you just give me a little pull astern, just a little bit, so I can get the rest of the way here and make up the North Carolina.
Okay,
100 feet or so, maybe.
All right.
Okay, North Carolina, I see we're getting pretty close. I've got someone standing by to make you up.
Okay, we'll see if we can get in there.
I'm all off on your coast.
We'll get a heaving line anytime here now.
Okay, we'll hang on here. We'll hang on. Or drop the line to you.
Calling North Carolina, we're going to hook you up on the port side back here, over here, behind you. I want to hook up right straight on the bow here, if I can. Hey, he wants to hook up straight through the bow. We'll do it that way.
Enough room up there, dude?
We're good.
Okay, I'm all off then, just what you're saying.
He's on the way up right now. I'll just take it easy as I can here. I don't know what else I can do.
Yeah, we'll just work astern a little bit. North Carolina will just idle as we go astern some more. That way it's clear for you guys.
Okay.
You want me to bring her astern a little more?
Yeah, let's bring her astern some more.
Go on there, Dean.
It's up on the boat here yet, but the line's up there. I just haven't got the word yet.
Okay, yeah, if they're going to close the gate, we'll hang on here and stop and kind of ease that stern in, and then we'll have to shift ahead, I think.
Good, we're all fast on the North Carolina here, so we're all set.
Okay, I'll have somebody on the stern shortly counting you down as we close on the dock there. And we have wires up forward still, so we'll just hopefully stay up against.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to move up ahead about, I'd say about 100 and some feet if we can, because they got that raft there.
Okay, yep, we'll do that. Once they get this gate in position, we'll have more room, but we can just stop here. We can stop and hang on. We can let everything settle down.
Yeah, I'm getting in position to catch your stern from going up against. Yep, I'm working the port to hold her from dropping onto that raft.
Okay, yep, if you can just kind of hold her right where she's at, we'll steady it up, and they've got the gate almost shut.